loves, welcome to my channel. My name is Winnie G, and if you're new here and if you're returning, then hey girl, how you doing? In today's video, I'm giving you guys SZA vibes. That's what we're going for. It's this really pretty reddish brown kind of coppery color kinky curly wig with some big old swoopity swooped baby hairs. Today I'm going to show you guys how I did my ball cap, how I installed the wig, how I did the baby hairs, how I defined the curls. We're going to get into all of the things. This hair was sent to me by Unice. They're sponsoring today's video. All the details about the hair will be down below in the description bar if you guys want to go ahead and check it out. I highly suggest that you do because look at it. Hello. So if you want to see how I got this look, let's go ahead and get into the video.
not a game, it's a rich thing.
Okay, so I diffused the hair, got the curls nice and defined. It is pretty much dry. I would say it's about 99% dry, maybe a little moist in a couple areas, but this is the finished look, girl. This is what she's giving. The curls are beautiful. It's nice and fluffy. The color is chef's kiss. I used a little bit of brown eyeshadow to kind of soften the color of my brows a little bit, just so it wasn't like jet black and then red. So it softened the look a little bit. Put a little something on to give y'all a finished look. I hope that you guys really enjoyed today's video. Thank you again to Unice for working with me. If you guys like this video, you made it this far, watch one of these videos. Make sure you're subscribed, and I will see you guys the next time I upload. Bye, babes.